Greetings, friends. I'm Shelley Kilgore with RE/MAX Partners in Dublin, Ohio. Today, we're going to dive into the heart of Dublin and reveal the wonders of towns on the Parkway. This neighborhood isn't just about the homes we live in, it's about a lifestyle that cherishes every moment. Whether you're seeking tranquility, luxury, or a vibrant community, you'll find it here. Show your support by liking, subscribing, and sharing this video. Let's embark on this journey together and uncover the true spirit of Towns on the Parkway. Towns on the Parkway is a canvas of architectural beauty and natural elegance located in the center of prestigious Dublin, Ohio. The luxurious 3- and 4-story townhomes reflect a commitment to quality and style. But what truly sets our neighborhood apart is the lifestyle it promises. It's a community where mornings jogs take you through community parks, where weekends are for exploring local markets, and evenings are spent enjoying sunsets from your backyard or balcony. Here, the pace of life slows down, allowing you to savor every moment. Towns on the Parkway is a tapestry woven from the threads of daily joys and conveniences. It's a place where the local cafe knows your coffee order by heart, where the grocer greets you by name, and where community events are the highlights of our calendar. This neighborhood thrives on the warmth of its people and the richness of its amenities, crafting a life that's as full as it is fulfilling. Bridge Park is walking distance from Towns on the Parkway and is Dublin's key live, work, play destination. Bridge Park is a vibrant mosaic of dining, shopping, and entertainment. Here, every corner has a story, every meal is a celebration, and the streets echo with the joy of community gatherings. Bridge Park is the living room of Towns on the Parkway, where friends and families come together to celebrate life. Also walking distance to Towns on the Parkway is the new Restoration Hardware outlet. RH Outlet is a sanctuary of style and luxury, offering many first-quality furnishings at a fraction of the price of RH Gallery. This is where your home becomes a masterpiece of design with furnishings that bring together comfort, elegance, and industry-renowned expert craftsmanship. Each visit is a journey of pieces designed to inspire, where every piece you choose adds a chapter to your home story. Nearby at Penzone Salons Spas, personal transformation is an experience. It's a retreat where well-being is the priority, offering a palette of services from rejuvenating spa treatments to specialized nail treatments and stylish cuts and colors. Penzone is not just about looking good, it's about feeling renewed inside and out. The Great Outdoors is a cherished feature of Towns on the Parkway, with 2 vibrant green spaces throughout the community. Dublin's network of bike paths and parks is also right outside our front door, and a testament to a life lived in harmony with nature. It's a world where children discover adventure in playgrounds and adults find solace under the canopy of trees. These green spaces offer a fresh breath of peace and connection within this community. Education is the foundation upon which Towns on the Parkway builds its future. Our local schools are more than institutions. They are incubators of potential where each student's journey is nurtured with care and ambition. Dublin's award-winning schools are the cornerstones of our community, shaping a brighter tomorrow. Above all, our neighborhood is a bastion of peace and security. It's a place where safety is a given and neighbors look out for one another. Here you'll find more than a house, you'll find a community that embraces you, offering a secure foundation for your dreams and aspirations. Towns on the Parkway offers more than a place to live, it offers a way of life that balances luxury, community, and tranquility. If you're dreaming of a home that fulfills every aspect of your ideal lifestyle, let's make that dream come true. I'm Shelley Kilgore with RE/MAX Partners, your advocate in finding the perfect home. Reach out to me for more information, and remember, for more insights and to discover your dream home, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let's find your place in the vibrant heart of Dublin, Ohio together.